My name is Desiree Yagan, and what you're looking at is a document, number 97. It was filed in June of the 17th, and it is in the case, a lawsuit filed against William Fitzpatrick, the district attorney, and Dr. Erik Mitchell. He is the former medical examiner. In 1993, who testified falsely, committed perjury on the instructions of District Attorney William Fitzpatrick. He changed the time of death. He based it on brain slides, which he testified to before the jury in the murder trial against Hector Rivas. There were no brain slides. It is breathtaking, the criminality of what took place. And the fact of the matter is that Hector Rivas was convicted based on false evidence presented by District Attorney William Fitzpatrick. This particular document, number 97, the case is Sidney Maines versus Onondaga County, District Attorney William Fitzpatrick, and Dr. Erik Mitchell. He is the former medical examiner who testified and falsified autopsy reports. I urge you to read this and look at the links on my Scrib documents uploaded, as well as the docket itself. You can review that on Unicourt. It is imperative that citizens are informed. This is a cancer that has spread throughout Onondaga County and far beyond, because District Attorney William Fitzpatrick's vast political connections and associations over 30 years. Okay. This is just the beginning. And the Syracuse Post-Standard is not operating as a free press. It is essentially operating as press for District Attorney William Fitzpatrick. Okay, this is page 1 of 3. The actual document, and it is from the plaintiff's attorney to United States District Court Judge Danks, D-A-N-C-K-S. And I'll let you read that, and I'm going to read a paragraph from page 2, and we'll finish up with page 3. It's important that you read this carefully and watch for links that I will be placing on the description later today, September 26, 2022, or we'll be doing that tomorrow, September 27, 2022. In the interim, I am going to be preparing a letter for U.S. District Court Judge Andrew Baxter in regard to his denial of my request to listen to the telephonic conference in Kevin Murphy versus Onondaga County Sheriff Eugene Conway and District Attorney William Fitzpatrick et al., and added this case, Sidney Maines versus Onondaga County District Attorney William Fitzpatrick and Dr. Erik Mitchell, in addition to Kelly Glover versus Onondaga County Sheriff's Department. Okay, I'll stop here. Right, page 2. Paragraph 2. During my May 27, 2022 call with Mr. Heisler, he is the county attorney, assistant county attorney, he advised that the county had located a file concerning the investigation into misconduct allegations against Dr. Erik Mitchell, the medical examiner, in 1993. According to Mr. Heisler, the file included a box of documents and audio tapes, which he believed were audio recordings of witness interviews. He also said that by June 10th, he would provide a copy of the file, including the audio tapes, for us to convert into electronic form. He also advised that the county health department investigation records into Dr. Erik Mitchell were also located and that these records would also be provided. I asked Mr. Heisler to explain what steps were taken to locate the documents that were identified in our February 7, 2022 letter. And specifically, I asked about email communication between the county's forensic lab and District Attorney William Fitzpatrick's office. Mr. Heisler advised that he would look into this and get back to me. I have not heard from Mr. Heisler since then. The county did not produce the investigation file or audio tapes by June 10th. The county has produced no records from the health department investigation into Dr. Erik Mitchell. The county has provided no update on efforts to locate further records. I emailed Mr. Heisler at 9:54 a.m. on June 15, 2022 to ask when we could expect these things. He has not responded. Accordingly, plaintiff asked the court to issue an order compelling the county to produce within 1 week the records in the audio tapes that they have located. Plaintiff also asked the court to compel the county to submit a sworn declaration from the person or persons who have conducted searches for these records and what steps they have taken to locate all the records requested. This is page 3 in conclusion to the June 17, 2022 letter. There are several transcripts which I will be placing the links to on this description. It is crucial that every citizen become informed the extent of corruption involving District Attorney William Fitzpatrick is shocking and overwhelming. And in this case, the order issued by the Second Circuit 3-judge panel stated that a new trial is ordered based on compelling evidence of actual innocence. I will place a link to the document that I will upload onto Scrib so that you can review it yourself. This is what District Attorney William Fitzpatrick does not want you to know about. And apparently the Syracuse Post-Standard is more than happy to be silent, acting on the behalf of the district attorney instead of the people, the citizens of Onondaga County, Central New York, and State of New York. That is what is going on.